Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up for cable kickbacks. First, approach your chosen cable machine and ensure the area around it is clear, providing ample room for movement. Grab a suitable ankle cuff from the accessory rack, making sure it feels comfortable and secure. This single cuff will be used to connect your leg to the cable for the exercise. Ensure it is in good condition before attaching it. Now, securely fasten the ankle cuff around one of your ankles, positioning it just above your foot. Make certain the D-ring, or the metal loop for attachment, is facing downwards. This orientation prepares it perfectly for connecting to the cable clip. Confirm the cuff is snug. It should not feel loose or slide around, as a tight fit prevents injury and maximizes the exercise's effectiveness on your glutes. Next, select your desired weight on the machine stack. It is always wise to begin with a lighter weight, perhaps between 10 and 15 pounds, to ensure you can maintain excellent form throughout the movement. Adjust the cable pulley to its very lowest setting, usually marked as 1 or 2 on the machine's vertical track. This specific low height is essential for effectively engaging your gluteal muscles during the kickback. Carefully clip the cable machine's carabiner onto the D-ring of your ankle cuff. Then, take a small step back from the machine until you feel a gentle tension in the cable, establishing your starting position. Stand tall, brace your core muscles for stability, and you may lightly hold onto the machine's frame with one or both hands for balance. This controlled stance ensures you are ready to initiate the kickback movement smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.